हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर डिजाइनिंग वीडियोस अलोंग विद वास्तु। A pergola is an out-of-garden feature forming a shaded walkway, passageway, or sitting area of vertical posts or pillars that usually support cross beams and a studded open lattice. Do you want a makeover for your balcony or rooftop? Pergola is one of the best option. Pergola in your garden will totally change its look from a simple to modern outdoor space, which is more inviting and beautiful as the rest of your home. So, have a look at the beautiful designs. If you like the content of my videos, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.